What's going on, guys? Georgia here, and I know it has been about a year, 2 years since I ever made a recording, but a lot has happened, and I will save that for another video. Now, let's see. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Like I was trying to say, damn, I forgot. There's gonna be a story that I'm gonna pull about what's happened lately. But for the meantime, I was thinking, where are you? There you are. Since it's been a while, and the last time I uploaded a game, it was about the neutral ending. I was thinking, try and do a genocide ending, as a few people in my high school group recommended that I should have done that genocide ending. So, for the behalf of, my friends, and on the behalf of, well, my curiosity. Oh, fuck. No. That is not my bad. To do the perfect genocide route, fuck, god damn it. It's kinda hard trying to do this shit while on the keyboard. Wait, there are down here. Oh, fuck. Ladies and gentlemen, this is highly disturbing. What? Why is it no longer caps? Did I accidentally... Did I? Oh no, I see. These are caps. I promised myself not to rage on the first recording. Alright, so Kara, the true name. Alright, yep, up, down. Alright. Last time I remember, we're gonna go here, go straight up through that door, and get met by a little piece of shit. I'm like spamming Z and enter. Leave me alone. Fuck, is there any other way to pass this? Fuck, god damn it. I don't trust you, you little shit. So, I need to dodge them. You got your ankles broken. Oh. Okay. Shit. Fuck. I'm alive. Oh yeah, I forgot Toyo comes. It's been a while. Please don't be like the flower. God damn it, shut up! Like Marusu would say, Goat Mama. Now, wasn't there something like F4? Nope. Fuck. I swear, there was like something for a Windows version, where if you clicked F4, this would go full screen. Finally. I'm faster than you. Okay, 2 minutes into this. Not that bad. I only have like a 15-minute recorder for now. Please leave me alone. Shit, bitch, please stop. I am gonna be smiling as I kill you. Come on, I only got like, what, 10 minutes to pull this off? And this bitch does not know how to shut up. Bitch, shut up. Hold on, guys. Once again, sorry, my sister was running around in the hallway. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Oh, I should have paused this recording and just started right back when I was fighting the dummy. Shut up. Bitch. Charge! Dead. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Yo, this bitch is annoying. Jump, break your ankles, girl. Well, we killed a frog. I was about to say, we killed a Charizard! Bitch, what? Bitch! Oh, about to say, did the game bug again? Like, I know I put a Windows game on a MacBook. Wait, no. This is supposed to be for MacBook 2. So there is no excuse. This is not the tutorial of Toriel, or the tutorial of the game, or demo of the game. I've attemptively checked that already. Oh my gosh, shut up, shut up, shut up. You're like talking cancer, shut up. I already know that this bitch is behind the pillar. Two hours later. Literally. Finally. Yo, oh, when you fucking die, I'm gonna be happy. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Yo, this is annoying. I'm gonna probably make a video after this explaining what's been going on. It's probably gonna be a bit more than 15 minutes, but I'm gonna try to cut a few corners and make it as short as possible, so that you guys can just listen/watch it for an entire video. Oh yeah. Fuck. And I'm supposed to continuously do that, right? Yes, I am. Alright, I'm gonna pause this recording, and then I'm gonna replay it when I'm done running around killing innocent people. See you guys in a bit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Now, I know from what you guys saw, I was running around trying to find monsters to kill. I already did all that. I killed them all, and I decided to skip everything that Toriel was saying about the fucking pie, and then the welcome home shit. Yeah, I did all that just for you guys. Just because I am on a very strict time limit. Now, I'ma just say fuck everything. You know what? Hold up. Let's go aggravate the bitch before I waste my time going down there and then coming right back up. Alright, god damn it. I should have had this ready as well. God damn it. Joel, you need to be smart. I know you always want to be a teacher. The saddest thing, guess what? You're gonna die with your hopes and dreams in pieces. When can I go home? Bitch. Nigga. Uses of snails. You a thought. No, that snails have a chain-like tongue called a radula? How to exit the ruins, bitch. Okay? I have to do... No, bitch, I'm gonna break your ankles. Get the fuck over here. Oh, fuck. She jumped over the railing and, Spy Kids her way down the stairs. Get over here, bitch. I just hope that this shit is not an entire 5 minutes. Come on, bitch. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys know when we're about to start the fight. I'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Bye, bitch. Yeah, you talk too much. One punch! One punch, bitch. Bye-bye. Shit-ho. Alright, let's go. Come on. Give me my XP. Where's my XP? I am level 6. Hold on. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Minor disturbance over there. Minor disturbance. So, back to the game. Yeah, from what I remember, we killed Toriel. I really do not have any regret. And... yeah. Oh, Flowey. Hello. Nope, I'm not human. Yep. Yep. Yep.
That's a wonderful idea.
Was that Flowey or was that me? I really don't know. Don't you just hate it when you get all these disruptions from family members and shit? It's a shtick. It's a stick. It's a tough looking brick. It's too heavy to pick up. It's been smashed like it was nothing. Oh great, a commentary. What is it, Anna?
I did it before.
The fuck? Sans. Well, I can consider this. I can consider this a good way to end the video. Well, if you like the video, if there is anyone that watches my channel anymore, put a good thumbs. Click the like. What the hell I used to say when I first made videos? Subscribe, spread the word. And as always, Georgeria, I guess, signing out, even though I have like 5 seconds left. Who cares? I'll make another video about my past and what's been going on. See ya!